pilot tips. In this video we're going to be talking about your flight bag and the essentials for flight. Your knee board, your headset, charts, that kind of thing. Let's have a look inside my bag. So as you can see, flight bags come in all different shapes, sizes and styles. This is Reza's pretty fancy. This is my primary flight bag, and I'm going to show you why I like this one. So this is my primary flight bag. It's got everything I need in it for a day flying. First, in the main pouch, got your headset, survival kit, and the spare clothing. In this secondary pouch here, plenty of room for charts, knee board, and other maps. This front pouch, I keep notepad, books, compass in there too. On the side, I've got a pouch for water, and this is accessible from my seat whilst I'm flying. I don't have to go rooting around, taking my attention away from flying the plane when I want to have a drink of water. On this other side pouch, I've got my waterproof jacket, so if it starts raining whilst I'm doing my walk around, I can chuck that on real quick and not get too wet. Now, what you carry in your bag is entirely your choice. These are just my opinions on things that I like to have with me. But being organised whilst you're up there means you can keep your attention on flying the machine. That's what we want. Safety. Thanks.